the whole philosophy is basically, yes, reinforcement learning is life itself, right? You can do everything with it. In principle, that's true. In practice, most of the learning that animals and humans do is not reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is kind of the last step that you have to do to kind of learn a task. But most of the learning that we do is of the pre-training type that I explained earlier, which is completely self-supervised. Okay, so I have this kind of famous slide that has become a meme a bit in the community where I say, like, if intelligence is a cake, the bulk of the cake, the génoise of the cake, if you want, is self-supervised learning. Most of the learning that takes place is kind of self-supervised. The icing on the cake is supervised learning. You can train a system to accomplish a task by telling it the correct output for every input. And then as a last resort, in cases where you can't do this, where the system has to do, trial and error, and explore on its own, then you have to use reinforcement learning, and that's basically the cherry on the cake. And I still subscribe to that vision.